Hi guys! Today we will be making a simple Python-based program which asks some details and creates a small sentence. So let's start. Before we start, let's get first things first. We will need Python to this task. So we need to download and install the Python program. In order to download it, go to Google, search Download Python for Windows, and click on the official link. Please watch this part of video carefully. When the Python installer opens, click on Add Python 3.8 to Path and then hit Install Now. Now we have Python installed on our PC. Now we will open Python idle and create a new file. I have given the copy and paste code which I have made. Code is given in description. Once done, save the file on your desktop and double-click it. Then follow the instructions in it which were programmed by you. Code explanation. If you type print, welcome to Arihant text program, then you will get welcome to Arihant text program. If you type name equals input, what is your name? Age equals input, what is your age? Phoneno equals input, what is your phone number? Email equals input, what is your email address? Then you will get what is your name? What is your age? What is your phone number? What is your email address in the preview? That's it for today. Stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.